Hi guys, welcome back to Bike Update, your ultimate source for the latest motorcycle news and reviews. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. This iconic middleweight sport bike returns with some exciting updates that are sure to turn heads. Power performance. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R comes with a refined 636cc engine, delivering impressive power and torque. With a peak output of around 130 horsepower, the bike offers a thrilling ride, whether you're on the track or carving up twisty roads. Kawasaki has fine-tuned the engine for better low-end torque, making it more responsive at city speeds while still maintaining its high-revving sport bike DNA. Updated electronics for better control. Kawasaki has equipped the 2025 ZX-6R with an advanced suite of electronic features. It now includes a 6-axis EMU, which provides better traction control, anti-wheelie, and cornering abs. The revised power modes allow riders to tailor their riding experience, whether they're on a track day or navigating challenging road conditions. The addition of quick shifters for both upshifts and downshifts makes gear transitions smoother and faster. Chassis handling. The 2025 Ninja ZX-6R is built around a lightweight, steel trellis frame that enhances agility and precision in corners. The new Showa suspension system provides improved handling, whether you're on a straight stretch or a tight corner. The updated ergonomics, including a more aggressive rider position, give the ZX-6R an even sharper, racer feel. This bike is all about making you feel connected to the road or track. Design aesthetics. Kawasaki has refined the styling of the 2025 ZX-6R, giving it a more aggressive, angular look. With sleek bodywork, sharper lines, and the signature Kawasaki green, it maintains the Ninja family's bold design language. The full LED lighting and revised windscreen not only enhance aesthetics but also improve aerodynamics and rider visibility, making it even more road-ready. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R builds upon its legacy with enhanced performance, better electronics, and a more aggressive design. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a street rider, the ZX-6R offers thrilling performance and razor-sharp handling. It's a bike that combines cutting-edge technology with legendary Kawasaki power. Thanks for watching Bike Update. If you liked this review, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest motorcycles. Stay tuned and ride safe.